Hello children, how are you? Hope all are safe at home. Yes, today we are going to see a new chapter, that is addition and subtraction up to 20. Did you all finish your worksheet? Last worksheet in chapter 5? Yes. The recap of chapter 5, few topics. Let's see now today. It is nothing but smallest number and greatest number and ascending and descending order. What is this ascending and descending order? This ascending order is from smallest to biggest, and descending order is from biggest to smallest. That is, ascending order is nothing but increasing order. We say increasing order, no? The same you use ascending order. And decreasing order is descending order. Decreasing, descending, all same alphabet starts with, that is D. So no confusion in that. So descending, decreasing is same. Only increasing order, ascending order you can find. So just see, increasing order is nothing but ascending order and decreasing order is descending order. Just keep it in mind. Okay. And now for smallest and greatest number, using number line only, the given numbers we are going to mark. So these are the numbers. I am going to mark it on the number line. Put a ring, these numbers 17, 19, 5 and 10. So these are the four numbers given in the number line. So when we are arranging in the increasing order, this is the smallest number and this is the greatest number. So they are asking only these two numbers. That is the smallest in all the four. That is the first number that we are going to mark as the smallest number, the same color yellow. Yes. Then among these four, this is the last number. So this is the biggest number on these four. So that we are going to mark in green. That's all. This is the smallest and greatest number. Yes. Now similarly, the second set of number is given. I'm going to mark these all in the number line. Yes. Now it is 20, 12, 16, 9. I have marked all the four. Now on these four blue rings, which is the first one? Yes, it is 9. So 9 is the smallest number. And which comes last? 20. So this is going to be the biggest or greatest or largest number. So I'm going to mark this 9 as the smallest in yellow color. Yes, and the last number 20 in green, which is the greatest number, because the smallest number comes first and the greatest number comes last among the four. So like that we are going to mark using number line. Okay. Now this is ascending order. Ascending order is nothing but increasing. So we are going to do as usual, but the only one small change is with 4 numbers. So far we have done with 3 numbers. Today it is with 4 numbers. So I am going to mark all these 4 numbers on the number line. 15, 11, 20, 18. Now arranging from left to right. Very easy. That is nothing but 11, 15, 18 and 20. Shall we check the answer? Yes. Correct. 11, 15, 18, 20. And then next set of numbers. 13, 0, 16, 7. It is nothing. 13, 0, 16, 7. Yes. Now we are going to write from left to right. It is 0, 7, 13, 16. Shall we check? Yes, it is 0, 7, 13, 16. Correct. Yes. Now next is descending order. It is nothing but decreasing order. The same set of numbers with on number line. Now the set of numbers given are these two. We are going to check for these two numbers in decreasing order. I am going to ring the numbers 14, 10, 4, 18. Now I am going to arrange from right to left. From increasing order we have taken from left to right, whereas in descending order from right to left. From biggest to smallest we are going to keep. That is only the difference between increasing and decreasing order. Now my decreasing order is 18, 14, 10, 4. Because it is this decreasing order, I am going to write from right to left, opposite way. Yes, correct. So 18, 14, 10, 4. And also the sign changes. The biggest number will have the opening mouth. The biggest number will have the opening mouth always. The smallest, this is smallest for this. And this is smallest for this number. And this is smallest for this number. So the same side, the biggest. So when it goes on decreasing, it will be like this. We'll use this sign. Okay. And the next set of numbers I'm going to mark on number line. I'm going to ring 12, 0, 16, 7. Yes, now from right to left I'm going to arrange. It is 16, 12, 7, 0. Shall we check? Yes. 16, 12, 7, 0. Correct. Okay. And also check for the sign. The sign should come like this for decreasing order. Whereas for increasing order, the opposite side you'll have to do. That's it, ma. Now, yes, more than, less than, before, after, between, we are going to check. So 16 is 1 more than. 1 more than, which number is 16? 1 more than 15. 1 more than 15 is 16. 13 is 1 less than. 1 less than 14 is 13. You'll have to check. So when it is more than they are asked, we are going to see the lesser number. And when less than they are asking, we are going to see the number after. More than, less than, this side you'll have to check. When they are asking this side, it is easy for us. 1 more than 15 is 16. 1 less than 14 is 13. Okay. This type it is easy. This type is easy. Third and fourth is easy. 1 more than 12 is 13. 1 less than 13 is 1 less than 13, 12. It is easy. When they are asking for this first and second only, you will have to do it in the opposite way. You will have to find more than the lesser number, you will have to write. Lesser than 16. And less than the more than 13, you will have to write. But here, you will have to find out 1 more than 12. 1 less than 13 is all same and it is easy. Similarly, 12 comes just after. 12 comes after 11. And 11 comes between. 11 is between 10 and 12. Dash comes just after 15. After 15 it is 16. Dash comes just before 20. Before 20 it is just comes before 20. It is 19. 12 comes just before 13. Yes. And dash comes between 16 and 18. Between 16 and 18, what number is that? It is 17. Okay. So, you will have to practice all this. This is very important. It's a bit tricky. You will have to practice it. Okay. Then now going into today's topic, it is very easy. Smallest topic. Addition up to 20. Everything is all same, but here you have the 2-digit number, that is 0 and tens. Okay. So, it is 3 plus 4 here. Here simply 1 is there. Here down no number is there. So, we'll have to put sticks for 3 and 4 first. 3, 4 and here also only 1. So, I am going to add all this 3 plus 4. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, 1 here, this 1 is there. So, I am bringing this 1 down. That's all. Very easy. The same number. Here only we are going to count the sticks and put the answer Here the 1 comes down as it is because here no number is there. Okay, very easy. One more number, one more addition, shall we check? Yes, it is 10 and 6 because it is 0, no sticks here. Only here we'll put sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sticks. Here 1, 1. Yes. Here 0 with 6. It is 6. That's all. And here it is 1. I am putting as it is 1. Okay. Here 0 with 6 will give you the same 6. Because 0 means nothing. Nothing plus 6 is 6. Here 1. Now it is story sum. So Komal has 15 marbles. Her brother gives her 4 more marbles. How many marbles does she have in all? So here 15 and 4 is given. We'll add this 15 and 4 to get how many marbles she have in all. Yes, it is 15 plus 4. So here as usual, here it is 5 and here it is 4 and here it is 1. Sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sticks. Here 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and here it is 1. Shall we add all these two? Yes. 5. After 5 it is 6, 7, 8, 9. And here it is 1. Because 1 is there without any number, just bring it down. That's it. Our answer is 19 marbles. Okay. Add using number line. Next. Here number line is given. They have given the number to add. It is 66 plus 12. So start with 6. First ring this 6. Then start from 6. You skip counting 12 numbers. Yes. Shall we skip counting 12? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it stops straight at 12. So our answer is 18. It stops at 18 down. So our answer is 18. Okay. Now next number is 14 plus 6. With the same number line we are going to do the number line here. So now the first number we are going to first ring the first number, that is 14 here. So I am going to ring 14 plus 6. 6 I am going to skip count now. Shall we start counting 6? Skip counting? Yes. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 skips I have made. 6. And finally I got my answer to be 20. My answer is 20. Okay. That's all. Very easy. So we will start with the number given first. We'll ring that number first and the second number to be skip counter. So here since it is 12, I am skipping 12 numbers and finally the 12th number I am getting 18 to be my answer. Here I am starting with the first number 14. I am putting a ring on 14 and skip counting 6 numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 skip counting. Finally I am getting 20. So 20 is my answer. Okay, that's it. That's all for today, children. Have a nice day. Thank you. Prepare for revision. I'm giving you revision test, revision paper worksheet. Do it. Okay. Thank you, ma.